Hello, this video tutorial is intended to help you upload a PowerPoint presentation that's been converted to Flash to the announcements area of Blackboard so that your students can easily view it. Now, I already sent you the PowerPoint presentation for iPass Summer. I already converted it to a Flash file and sent it to you in the same email where you can find the link to this video. However, I wanted to give you a little bit more of a demonstration so that you can easily upload it to Blackboard. The first thing you want to do is to undergo these processes in the Firefox browser. This browser tends to work better, especially when uploading multimedia files. Now, once we've gone to our course in Blackboard, the first thing we want to do is to create an announcement. If your Create Announcement button is not here, check to make sure that your edit mode is on. And if it's off, click the button to turn it on. After that, create an announcement. And you'll get the fields that will allow you to create an announcement. The second thing you want to do is to make sure your text editor is on for your message field. If it's off, then your field might look something like this. If your field looks like this, basically has the smart text, plain text, and HTML buttons at the bottom, go ahead and click your text editor button here to turn it on. And now we're ready to begin. Give the subject of the presentation. I'm just going to title mine iPass. And then all you have to do is click the message field to select it. Click the button that looks like a piece of paper with a red F. That's the Add Flash Shockwave Content button. Click it. Find the file on your computer by clicking Browse. Choose the correct file. Make sure to give the presentation alternate text. This will allow any screen reader for, say, a visually impaired student to read that text so that they will at least know what is there. For width and height, I normally go 640 by 480. For this one, because it does have a fairly striking animation right at the beginning, we definitely want to do auto start. Whether or not you do loop is up to you, but I'm going to choose yes. And the file is not that big, so you should feel free to leave the quality as best. Click submit, and you'll get a nice little preview here in a few seconds. And you can see the animation automatically is set to run with the auto start. In the preview, you can go ahead and start clicking through the slides and see what your students will eventually see. If you like, or if you're satisfied with the results here, click submit. The message has now been uploaded, and you may not be able to see it in the message window, but that's okay. It's there. Go ahead and choose your date restrictions if necessary. I'm going to keep mine not date restricted. And click submit. And you'll see the announcement has been posted. It'll automatically load and automatically run. The final step is to make sure that this announcement is going to appear first. And the way you do that is to drag the announcement above the new announcement bar, so that the message new announcements appear below this line is below the iPass announcement. And when your students log in, once we have it set this way, when your students log into the course, they'll immediately see that striking animation, and hopefully they'll watch the presentation. And all they have to do is click on the screen to advance it. And with our settings, all the animations will automatically run. Okay, that's about it. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask me and we'll get it figured out. Thank you.